Perhaps one of the most beautiful birds you'll ever behold, the doctor bird, or the swallowtail hummingbird. This is one of the most outstanding of the 320 species of hummingbirds. It lives only in Jamaica. These birds' beautiful feathers have no counterpart in the entire bird population, and they produce iridescent colors characteristic only of that family. In addition to these beautiful feathers, the mature male has two long tails which stream behind him when he flies. For years, the doctor bird has been immortalized in Jamaican folklore and song. There are many stories relating why the hummingbird is called the doctor bird. Here are just two of them. It is said that the name was given because the erect black crest and tail resemble the top hat and long coats doctors used to wear in the old days. Other schools of thought believe that it refers to the way the bird lands the flower with its bills to extract nectar. According to researcher Frederick Cassidy, the bird is an object of superstition. The Tainos or Arawaks spread the belief that the bird had magical powers. They called it the God bird, believing it was the reincarnation of dead souls. It is also the subject of a folk song which says, "Dr. Bud a conny bud, hard bud for dead." This means it is a clever bird which cannot be easily killed.